Perform set difference on RDDs in Spark Python. I have two Spark RDDs. A has 301,500,000 rows and B has 1,500,000 rows. Those 1.5 million rows in B all appear in A as well. I would like the set difference between those two RDDs, such that I return A with 300 million rows, with those 1,500,000 rows from B no longer present in A. I cannot use Spark data frames. Here is the system I am using right now. These RDDs have primary keys. What I do below is create a collected list of those primary keys that appear in B, then iterate through the primary keys of A to find those which do not appear in the list of B primary keys. Now, this works in this sample problem, because A and B are tiny. However, this is unsuccessful when I use my true datasets A and B. Is there a better, more parallel way to implement this?
This seems like something you can solve with a subtract by key. To change to a key value. Note that my Python is weak and there might be better ways to split the values.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.